Now, the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has reserved judgment in the appeal filed by the governor of Osun State Ademola Adeleke, challenging the judgment of the Osun State governorship election petition tribunal, which nullified his election as governor of the state. A three-member panel in the appellate court, led by Justice Muhammad Shaihibu, made a reservation after the parties adopted their processes. Celestina Area has the details.
Osun State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal had on 27 January ordered that a certificate of return issued to Ademola Adeleke be withdrawn from him due to overvoting recorded in the election. The tribunal also ordered that same certificate be issued to Adegborough Oyetola as the duly elected governor of the state. Justice Kome, who led the panel, noted that the election was not conducted in line with the Electoral Act. But Mr. Adeleke swiftly rejected the judgment and described it as a miscarriage of justice. At the appellate court, counsel to Mr. Adeleke, Onyechi Ikpeazu, held that a member of the panel, who is also a chief magistrate, did not air her opinion during the judgment delivery. Rather, she only appended her signature, and the Constitution mandates her to have commented. Counsel to Mr. Oyetola Lateef Fagbemi in response held that mere signing of the judgment of the tribunal by a member of the panel, who is a chief magistrate, and not making any comment afterwards, does not make the judgment invalid. Mr. Fagbemi had alleged that findings from the back-end server of INEC showed that overvoting took place in over 749 polling units. Mr. Ikpeazu argued that results stored in the back-end server are inconsistent and unreliable, as they can be affected by internet connectivity and the battery life of the beavers used to upload the result. These two factors, according to him, can affect the upload. He further says that it conducted a physical examination on the beavers, and it showed that overvoting occurred in just 6 polling units and not 749 polling units, as claimed by counsel to Mr. Oyetola. The appellate court also heard appeals filed by the PDP, INEC, and a cross-appeal filed by Mr. Oyetola. Judgment in all appeals were reserved.
I tell you that everything has gone well for both sides. All the appeals, including the cross-appeals, have been heard.
The device pursuant to the Electoral Act that INEC has deployed to verify accreditation. And the Beavers machine is not an online device. The Beavers machine has also not failed in the elections in Nigeria. It's just the human elements and all that could fail in this regard.
Petitioner who had the benefit of the judgment also filed a cross appeal challenging the qualification. But our case appeals are actually based on the basic fact concerning the functioning of the Beavers machines. For instance, even now in the presidential election, INEC is still busy trying to upload results.
Mr. Oyetola in his submission alleged that Mr. Adeleke was not qualified to contest the election. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
Still in